Well, January is Cervical Cancer Awareness Month. So here to share the importance of routine screening is gynecological oncologist at the Sandra and Malcolm Berman Cancer Institute at GBMC, Dr. Fong Liu. All right, so welcome to Be More Lifestyle. So talk to us about cervical cancer and what causes it.
Cervical cancer is a cancer of the cervix, which is the interface between the uterus and the vagina. Most women know about it as it's what dilates during childbirth. And what causes it for most cases is infection with HPV.
Wow. So can you talk to us about some warning signs and risk factors for cervical cancer?
So warning signs are irregular bleeding, pelvic pain, any kind of pelvic discomfort, abnormal vaginal discharge. And the risk factors for cervical cancer is certainly exposure to a strain of HPV that is highly virulent, that causes cervical cancer. Also, cigarette smoking is something that not a lot of people know is a risk factor.
So talk to us about how it's diagnosed.
So most cancers are diagnosed with a biopsy. And that's usually done at a gynecologist's office as part of a normal pelvic exam. But the important thing about cervical cancer is that there's an excellent screening test for it known as the PAP test and HPV testing, as well as vaccination with the HPV vaccine. And both of these things can prevent the development of cervical cancer itself.
Now, you mentioned screening. Who should be screened for cervical cancer, and why is the screening so important?
So the screening is so important because it allows us to catch precancers so that we can help solve the problem before these lesions can even turn into cancer. And people who should be screened are any young women, generally starting in their 20s. I think anytime a woman starts engaging in sexual activity is a very important time to establish care, even before then with a gynecologist.
Okay, Dr. Liu, thank you so much. Such useful information. All the information where people can find you right there available on the bottom of our website. And we will also put it, the bottom of the screen, we'll also put it on our website, foxbaltimore.com. We appreciate you being here. Thank you.